I'm glad that here in Lahore, the historic spaces that we have done, one is the Shahi Hammam, which has got the UNESCO award, the Masjid Veer Khan Chowk, the Hazuri Bagh area, as well as now the bunkers area. The Walled City has not only rehabilitated or conserved its historic monuments and spaces, but also activated, energized, and made them people-friendly.
हमें वही कहानियां याद क्यों रह जाती हैं जो आधी और अधूरी? ऐसे लगता है कि हमें अपने मोहब्बत के दावों में इतना शक है कि हम उन्हीं कहानियों को याद रखते हैं जो एक जैसी होती हैं और अधूरी होती हैं।
शुमनाई वफादार मोजी मिनिशय साइलाई समसार मोजी सहुका शुमनाई वफादार मोजी मिनिशय।
कहते हैं कि मोहब्बत के, इश्क के 7 मुकाम, अगर उनसे गुजरो तो उसको इश्क बोलते हैं, और अगर नहीं तो प्यार ही कह लीजिए।
First of all, we have to believe in our history. And our history is one of the oldest, richest, most diverse and colorful. It's just how you present it, how you package it, how you market it. You know, the same places can be dead, same places could be the talk of the world. So that's the challenge we have taken upon ourselves. जो कुछ हमारी धरती पर है, वो हमारा है. And that is a statement we need to internalize, believe and imbibe.